Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we'll be picking up the winner of the raffle for the Arpha D24 Dashcam. So come on, let's go to YouTube and let's get that link. So you have to copy this link and then we're gonna paste it on this field. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back there. Let's check what code that we need to do. Pick is the hashtag FG2500. So let's copy that and let's filter it. And we're just gonna filter it and paste the hashtag FG2500. Alright, and then we're gonna need to click this include reply and then turn that off and then click continue. Now let's pick a winner. Are you ready? Let's go. Congratulations, Julie Krista Yalung 2317. Congratulations. Please send me an email regarding your address, your shipping address, and we will ship this one out to you at no charge. All right, so guys, thank you for supporting my channel. I really appreciate it. Yeah, so till next raffle, we're gonna have another one. Okay, again, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Thank you for watching. Thank you.